Hi, welcome back to Carfagna's. My name's Amanda Rogers, head bartender, and today I'm going to be walking you through our Italian 75. Now, this is traditionally just a French 75, but since we're at Carfagna's, this is the Italian 75. So we're going to start with gin at the base, 1.5 ounces. Go straight to lemon juice, 0.5 ounces here. And then we're going to go ahead and pour some simple syrup, another 0.5 ounces. And it's that simple. This is a great cocktail, great for summertime, very light, very refreshing. And this is at our happy hour, $5 for this thing, so that's amazing. Give it a nice head shake. And this goes into a champagne flute. This also gets topped with Prosecco. We'll go ahead and pour this right on the top. And then the zest of the lemon. It's gonna add that fragrant, aromatic, squeeze all the oils right over it. Again, around the rim, so you're gonna be smelling and tasting at the same time. You will go ahead and drop that right in. So that's our Italian 75.